welcome back to Cooking with Claire. If you're new here, my name is Clarissa, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make crab cakes. So I have 1 pound of crab meat here. Now crab cakes are super easy to make and they only take a few ingredients. So you want to start out by mixing your wet ingredients. So I have my bowl here and I have 1/3 cup of mayonnaise, I have 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley. I have 1 egg. Wow, that had 2 yolks in it. I have 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard. You can use Dijon mustard if you want, but I like the taste of yellow mustard. And I have a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic, a 1/2 teaspoon of Slap Your Mama, and 1.5 teaspoons of Old Bay seasoning. And you're going to mix that in there as well. So you want to mix all of this up together. Now I have a pack of butter crackers, and this is about 18 crackers. And what you want to do is just crush up your crackers and put it into your mixture. So I just left my crackers inside of the pack, and I just crushed them up inside of the pack. Bring you guys back in, and we're gonna pour our crackers inside of our wet batter. And we're gonna mix that up together. Now I'm going to add in the pound of crab meat. Now to this you want to add 1/3 cup of shredded butter. So you just want to dump that inside. And you want to make sure your butter is frozen. And you want to mix all this together. So when you're mixing this, you want to make sure that you're folding the mixture through your crab meat, because you want to leave all of your pieces of crab meat whole. Alright, now that that's all been folded in, I have my baking tray here. I have a 1/2 measuring cup here, and I'm just going to take and scoop out a 1/2 cup at a time. That way all of our crab cakes will look the same and cook at the same time. And I'm going to put them onto my pan like that. While you're making your crab cakes, you want to go ahead and set your oven for 425 degrees. So this is going to get you about 6 crab cakes. So 1 pound of the crab meat is going to get you about 6 crab cakes using a 1/2 cup. Alright, so now what you want to do is put these crab cakes in the oven for 15 minutes or until they're golden brown. Alright guys, so I just took my crab cakes out. You can see they're nice and they're golden brown. I have them on the cooling rack right now, So I'm gonna leave them to set up for about 10 minutes before I plate them. All right guys, so it's been about 5-10 minutes and I'm gonna go ahead and take them off of my baking pan and go ahead and plate them up. Alright, so if you want, you can just put some lemon wedges in there like so, for those who like lemon. And just take some parsley, sprinkle it over top, just as a little garnish. And that's it guys. That's how you make Maryland crab cakes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.